in CRPC, framing of charges. In the framing of charges, error in charge, that to be said now. In order to understand the section 215 CRPC, section 216 CRPC, in case of error in charge, we must read with section 464 of the CRPC. Here, if you see effect of the error, according to section 215 CRPC, any error in stating the offence or any error in the charge material at any state of the case. In addition, any omission of the error or offence to state such offence or the particulars of the charge shall be immaterial. However, if such error or such omission has mislead the accused, if it has occasioned the failure of justice, then such error or omission shall be considered material. When a court can alter or amend a charge, what the court do, that we have to know. There are 4 ways when the court is going to alter or amend the charge. The 4 ways are: before the judgment is pronounced, the court can alter or amend the charge. Number 2, such kind of alteration or amendment has to be read before the accused. The charge, the alteration or amendment should be explained to the accused clearly and completely. Number 3, if in the opinion of the court the addition or alteration in the charge does not prejudice the accused in his defense or prosecution in the conduct of his case, then the court may alter or amend the charge and proceed with the trial according to its discretion, court discretion. Number 4, if the court is of the opinion that the alteration or addition or amendment of the charge is likely to prejudice the accused or the prosecutor has aforesaid or amendments, the court may, as its discretion, either direct a new adjourn the trial for some period as it may consider necessary. If there is any kind of necessity, the according to the discretion of the court, that should be amend, alteration, and addition may be done by the court. Number 5, if the previous sanction is necessary to be obtained for prosecution of the offence stated in the alteration or added charge, the court shall not proceed with the case until such sanction is obtained. If until such sanction is obtained, the court previous sanctions should be obtained. Effect of omission to frame or absence or error in charge. Section 464 of the code states like this way. Any findings, sentence or order by a court of competent jurisdiction shall be deemed invalid merely on the ground no charge was framed. Any error, omission or irregularities in the charge, including rejoinder of charge, such findings, sentence or order of the court shall be deemed invalid only when it is opinion of the court or appeal or confirmation or a revision there has been a failure of justice. Number 2, when the court of the appeal confirmation or a revision of the opinion that the failure of the justice has in fact been occasioned then. What type of appeals, confirmations and revisions there is? Such kinds of confirmations, appeals, revisions, opinion that a failure of justice has in fact been occasioned now and then. In case there is an omission in the framing of charge, the court may order that the charge may be framed and that the trial may be commenced again from that point immediately after framing of the charge. If there is any kinds of omissions in the charge, such kind of omissions could be added and again reframed charge and commence the trial. Number 2, in case of an error, omission or irregularity in the charge, direct that a new trial had to be commenced upon a charge framed in whatever the manner that the court may think fit. Whenever and wherever there is, the court is not satisfied such kind of irregularities, errors and omissions. Such kind of irregularities, errors and omissions, all should be commenced again. new trial is going to be set up. And provided that if the court is of the opinion that the facts of the case are of such a nature that no valid charge could be preferred against the accused in respect of the facts of the case. The said court shall quash the conviction of the was said in the case Tulsi Ram versus State of Uttar Pradesh. In that case, this was said